had a walk. Thought I'd just take you for a quick little tour through Simonsbath Sawmill. Is the view from the entrance. Some may know the valley. Here's the sawmill. Take you for a quick little tour. Not too much because I don't want to give too much away because then you won't come and see us, will you? So, here we go into my cave. Please excuse the mess. We haven't had any visitors because of this old COVID nonsense, so everything's a bit in a mess. Nice bit of oak we milled out there. Here's the business, that's what we're talking about. She's a big old girl with some nasty old teeth. She gets through it right. Here's some of the old school stuff. The water power. Just see the turbine there. Here's the pulley. Oh, that's a long old drop. Not many people like standing on it. I don't know why. And then we'll come through into one of the oldest parts, which is the old workshop, which still has a lot of the old historic things here. We try and turn it into more of a working museum rather than just a museum. Now, does anyone know what they might be for? Those monstrosities. They're beautiful in their own ugly way, I think. There's something to do with this old girl. There she is. She's a beast. Yeah. Water cooling. So she has a sleeve of water around her that keeps her nice and cool. And I mean, I've run it all day. And the water starts to get a bit warm, and that's about it, just in this top bit. And then we just pump that from the leak, so nice and easy. And here is the workhorse. She's so special, she has her own room. There's the gas canister to get her going. Single cylinder, Ruston Hornsby, put in 1954. They went ultra modern to replace the water power. I have got a video on the channel of her running. Well, actually, as I turn her off, when she slows down, there's the old flywheel, which I have to turn by hand to get the timing back on, because obviously there's no timing belt. And then big wheel makes a little wheel go really fast, and that goes down into the line shaft. And this is down in the line shaft, where that one starts spinning, then we move it on to the fast belt, drives the line shaft, and run that pulley, the line shaft goes all the way through. This is the pulley that runs the saw, and here's the turbine. We've got it engaged on the diesel power at the moment, but if I just move that dog clutch across, that locks in there, and then you can engage the water power just like that. There's the turbine, so that's full of water, and then we just open it up and the water drops down through and creates the turbine to spin. Immediate power. We haven't got that much water at the moment. And then the mill pond is up there. Okay, like I say, just a quick little one to see if anyone's interested, build my confidence with these videos and whatnot, because I don't know much about it. I don't even know if you want to listen to me. Here's the door to get in, and it's a bit of a squeeze because I'm over 6 foot, and it's a bit cramped. There we go. See who's interested, eh? They are my faithful hounds. They'll be crying in a minute, I expect, so if you hear some ridiculous noise, it's them. They want to go for a run. If we start making a go at these videos, you'll find out that they cause me no end of trouble. But here's some timber we got stacked up, ready to be milled. Some pine that I felled. That was 3 or 4 miles away for a customer and I said, oh, do you fancy me taking it to the mill and making some useful timber out of it? He said, yeah, go for it. And then some of it's a bit scruffy. Bits of ash on the right there, a little bit of beech in the middle, and then another bit of ash that I've got to mill out for someone. Here's some big lumps of ash. I tried doing this one with the chainsaw mill in situ. I can't remember why, it didn't go very well. Something went wrong that day and I thought, well, blow it. So I got a tractor in, brought it here. Here's some chestnut. That is all going for gate posts. Here's my old girl Cassandra. She's rough and ready, is my girl Cassandra. She's a case Cassandra the case, because I'm funny like that. And then here's the old creosote shed. We'll go on it. The light's going to be a bit dodgy. Oh no, it's alright. Here's the old creosote bath that we're obviously not allowed to use anymore, but timber was put on there, and then that's all filled with sawdust, but that used to be, well, I don't know how deep actually in creosote. And then block and tackle to drop this bed down into the creosote and soak it for ever, I expect, until there's literally no fibres left. But we're not allowed to use that anymore. On a warm day it still bleeds a little bit and it smells gorgeous in here, but because it gets nice and warm by Exmoor standards, they use it for some of the timber. Doesn't dry out too quickly. Got a bit of coastal redwood right in front of us there. What else we got? We've got some oak that came from a local farm. I think that lends itself to like a bench or a shelf or something. Got some cladding up there, and I don't like throwing anything away. I'm a bit of a hoarder, so I've got loads and loads of useless bits. But you never know, they might come in handy one day. What have we got? Oh yeah, bit of oak there by the looks of it. Some 2x1s, you know, all useful stuff. All useful stuff. That's the creosote shed. It is uncharacteristically warm in Simonsbath today. I mean, I know it's spring, but this place is one of the wettest places on earth, I swear. This is tropical, really tropical. But spring's here. It's lovely.